The same cock, I see him, so you could have go bring sickness, give people them girl pitney. Something like AIDS, something like syphilis, something like gonorrhea, something like bumbuckler chicken.
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Wagwan, bless upon yourself, you know. I will on there with the latest mix up and mix down. So subscribe if for your first time over your son. Alright guys, so what I really go on right now is that Iwaata and Pretti separated earlier today. You see me or yesterday basically. We don't know when them negotiate that alright away when she find out say him a gear bun. You see me, so the dog have a 1 year old on the side. You see me? From them time they. If you go on my next video before this one, you can see what go on, and the mother also react to what go on. So it real right now. So Pretti Dan and him, it not look good for them right now, especially knowing that it's in the public eyes. Is it? So a bag of people have something to say. I know when I hear nothing good from nobody. You see me? So we are going to watch what go on. So let's hear what Ugly Dan has to say. I mean Pretti.
Take it from me know Yamed when me see them. You is a fucking Yamed. Dear, what's love got to do with it? Got to do with it. Mama, even Tina Turner did leave Ike. And the ears him a beat her ass. Him beat her day in, day out. So till mama give him some blood clot licking her back her limo. And when your limo day go come. And when your day go come fi catch a boy in a couple plot, them way have in a bumbo clot head and knee him in a face. And when you go blood clot catch a boy in a fucking couple, 4, 5, 6. And the bumbo clot plot, them way have in a bumbo clot. Boy lingerie. You make Yamed, yo, Jaja. Hey, yeah, Yamed, you know, lingerie, you, look there. Boy, say you're hot on the place. Because you have a new spliced up for a while everybody around with. Me think if you go make a song about the lingerie, because I see you do song for a while you see your boss, you know, big like Spice. You see be a dude, mostly that's why I need to fight out Spice, because I only want to go turn artist, you know. You see be a dude. Yes, lingerie. And the boy find out say you have the hot double go about the place because nothing not go on for him and Janko Brass for a while there. And they want a piece of the hotness. So man just can drop a picture with the blood clot baby mother and the whole of them make you fucking hurt your lingerie. Because lingerie, yeah lord! Could not a bumbo clot have a bumbo clot internet like that, you know. Mama, when you go lingerie, you know. When you go lingerie, a weeks now the internet hot with lingerie, you know. Everybody a buy lingerie right now, right? So the boy see that and they want to say, must can get pissed at the hotness. I cannot now go on for blood clot couple plot. Me don't know what I go on for. Play. No go on for play. Watch out. Play. Move your bumbo clot. Man, I play up in your bumbo clot body wall. Right now. Nobody now to tell me, no. The Buzzy artists, them, one of them. Buzzy. Me and my friend, them, Buzzy. Rebel TC. Buzzy. Me and my friend them Buzzy, pussy fat, you know say it well, Buzzy, couple plat, just Buzzy, couple plat, nobody never tell me say you giving blood clot drunk about heads, because me know that this was an undercover relationship all the while, fee hype, watch out, you see, I know Rebel there with Pretti, and Drunko Boss there with Shitwater, nobody can tell me nothing, let me show you a thing. When Rebel post a picture, you will never see Janko Bassa go underneath it, go love it up and put up the heart eyes. I say, oh my God, look at Rebel. You never bumbo class see Janko Bassa do that yet. But make blood clot shit water put up a picture, him first a comment. Oh God, play a card, oh my God, you're looking so warm. Move your body, man, blood clot right here, so. Over here, so there's not a pretty post a picture. You never see shit water over there, ever. Shit water nah go over there. Shit water nah come in. Shit water nah do none of that. But underneath it, you see rebel. Be your heart eyes. Be your heart. Oh my God. Pretty. I'll be a blood clot. So me didn't know a long time. Say you shit water is not really with pretty. Cause he is a bisexual. He is a bisexual. And because he's a bisexual, that's why you this come out now. You come out like someone never knows me there. I pray on a long time, whatever I say. Or some of those catch off in one corner for a couple months now. Me a pray on you see me I deal with coming and load up my thing when me a pray people, you know. Some of those watch a picture them, the sentimental picture them. What me expect, say like all the boyfriend for your comment pan. No! A rebel a comment pan them there. Rebel! A comment pan for pretty them. Ooh. Pretty. And then you see what shit water, you know, as soon as you see Jankrabas, when Jankrabas post one blood clot picture, you know, it's like a blood clot shit water go bend over there, you know. Oh my God. Jankrabas, looking so fucking fine, bitch. Yeah, and me I say, hey, from what you want to me, don't have me watching them, I say, oh, allow me alone, sister, them girl assault like blood clot, Elisha bitch, Batman. Me I say, you look into it. Me I say, look into it. When they see pretty TikTok, when they see rebel TikTok, and that's pretty and rebel you see on there, you never see she and shit water over there yet. She and shit water never over there yet. Because she know what shit water do. She knows the shit water I do them something here. Shit water, you go. How intense feel about the new baby? Because I know him here, Batman hurt. You see when Batman go get Pitney out the power another Batman, then we kill them one another. I don't know. Listen out. Listen out for this, because I know say right now. Remember, and that's why blood clot Jankrabas eat pretty. Because Jankrabas know say him and pretty I take his see a man. You understand me I deal with? Remember, you know, went down to see Jankrabas go crochet, you know. A crochet Papa go, you know. And you see play got in. Yeah, you play. Watch out. Me I say bumbo clad. Shit water no easy a bumbo clad. You see him boss come cream out. Me I say yeah. Bonagi so I watch you now. When me see this a picture with the upcoming baby and sitting fresh baby. This a baby a fresh like national bread 5 o'clock in the morning. First batch out. You know the bumbo club bag them a get crackle with all the heat touch it. Fresh baby. This a baby a dust come out of the oven. This a baby a dust flick out. Hot pockets. Like a blood clot hot pockets, me I tell you like a pizza roll. Them are like the 2-minute pizza roll, me put them in the blood clot microwave here. Ding! And them that come out. Fresh baby. This a baby I look like it drop about 2-3 months now. But 1 2 months now, this a baby a drop. So you know, shit water, you know see you go give girl bun. Look how much things the girl that put up with you already. You fuck Jankrabas. You fuck how much in other girl. Now you go breed on ice reggae. You not use no condom. Pretty, go check yourself before you wreck yourself. Go and go check yourself before you wreck yourself. Because then dirty hood the way I fuck you, not right. That's not right. That's not right at all. That's not fucking right at all. Not right at all. Ooh. Mama, me nah ask Christ a bumbo clot. What a disappointment about your blood clot deactivity. What you deactivating for? You know this was coming. This was fucking coming like a bumbo clot. Ooh, like a fucking comet. Like a comet. Up your bumbo clot, my G. You see me I do it? You know say the boy a dirty boy. When you get up, I warn up your boy, you know say boy a dirty somebody. Me not hold back for your good ass. You do a boy a dirty boy. You should have you should have brace back. Me know you brace back for a rebel. Because me know you're not too hurt right here now, you know. Because you know you have rebel, you know. Yes. You know you have rebel. Rebel doesn't say they are all you right now. Don't worry, I'm pretty. At least you have me. You hear what I tell you? Shit water, you're wrong. Shit, water, you is blatantly wrong. You fuck up. You should have never do that to the spice dancer. And then you are. How the blood all this? How me do? Sorry about that. It's a fucking. I the garbage truck. I mean, you confused me. After me no frozy. None tall. Man, I use roll on hard. 10 story in a want to rascal lad. Watch out. What do you mean what spice it up? You mix up spice. You see who?